Hello 8th graders, how are you guys? Everything okay? I hope so. Let's work guys a little bit on our exercise here. As I told to you, let's work a little bit more to understand better about rational equations or proportional equation, the same thing. Let's do it as I promised to you in our last class. Let's do it here. I change the color here, right now go blue. Here, the first thing, let's cross multiply. Remember to recall this all the time. CR for cross multiply, D for distribute if necessary, and S for solve it. Let's work on this, guys. Let's cross multiply here. The numerator with those terms here, I have two terms here, and this denominator with two terms here too. Great, guys. It is just cross multiplied is 6p plus 2 equals 3p plus 7. Great, that's it. Let's solve it. 6 times p, 6p. 6 times 2, it is 12. And here 3 times p, 3p. 3 times 7, 21 plus 21. Right now I need to distribute. I did cross multiply, okay, distribute, okay. I need to solve it using the techniques for equations with variables in both sides. Let's do it. I need to move it. Let's move the variable. Which one will we move? We move the smallest, as I told you guys. Let's move 3p. The opposite for 3p is negative 3p, and goodbye 3p here. 6 minus 3p, it is 3p's plus 12 equals 21. Right now I need to move the number 12, the constant. Let's move number 12 to another side here. Goodbye 12. The opposite for positive 12 is negative 12. Negative 12. Let's do it here. 21. 3p's equals 21 minus negative 12, as you know, or minus 12, sorry. 21 minus 12, as you know, it is 9. Positive 9. And 3p, as you know, how many times 3 goes into 9? I know it, p equals 3. Done, guys. Great, let's go to the next one here. 4, I change color here again. Let me go this color here. Here it's 9 times n minus 4. And here n minus 7 times 6. Great. Let's work on this. 9 times n minus 4. As you can see, 9 n minus 4 equals 6 times n minus 7. Just the same way, distribute 9n minus 9 times 4, negative 4, it's negative 36, equals 6 times n is 6n. 6 times negative 7, it is negative 42. Great. Done. Right now we did everything here. Right now I need to move the variable. I move the smallest. The smallest is 6n. Let's move 6n here. It is minus 6n. 9 minus 6, it is 3n. Minus 36, this 6n goodbye, I move it, equals negative 42. Nice. I need moving right now, negative 36. I move this guy here, the constant to here. It is positive 36 right now, the opposite. And how do I know it? Just solve it. 3n equal negative 42 plus 36. The sign is negative. Great, I know it, and it's negative 6. Great. And how many times 3 goes into negative 6? It goes negative 2. And equals negative 2. Nice. And this one, 6, change the color again, blue. Here, just work on this, the same thing, cross multiply first. 3 times 25, 5 times f plus 2. Just work on this. It is 25 times 3 equals 5f plus 2. Great. Right now, distribute. Let's distribute. Here and here. 25 times 3 is 75. Equals 5 times f, 5f. 5 times 2, it is 10. Great. Next one, let's do it. Let's move the variable. Oh, sorry, let's move the constant. Positive 10, I'll move it. Right now it is negative 10. It is 65 equals, goodbye, here, 5f. How many times 5 goes into 65? You know it, guys? It is 13. Yes. Is 13 equals f. This is the final result. Great, guys. It's easy. Very easy. Good. Let's try some more. I will work on odd here. You work on even. Here's the same thing. 8. Let's move 8 here. M minus 8. 6. M minus 9. It is 8. Oh, remember, cross multiply, distribute, solve it. Recall this all the time. If you're not confident to do it by yourself, mental math, recall this, no problem. 8 times m minus 8, it is 8 times m minus 8 equals 6 times m minus 9. Great, let's solve it. Distribute this. 8m minus 64 equals 6m minus 6 times 6m, 6 times 9, it is 54. Great. Right now just solve it. Right now I need to move it. Let's move it. Let's move the variable. I move 6m to another side. It is negative 6m, the opposite, and goodbye here. Negative 8m minus 6m, it is 2m. 2m minus 64 equals negative 54. Right now I need to move the constant here, the term without variable. I need to move negative 64. The opposite is positive 64. It equals 10. 2m equals 10. How many times 2 goes into 10? 5. Yes. M equals 5. Great. Let's go working, guys. Next one here. Here, this color. That's okay. 5 times v minus 2 and 2 times v minus 8. Great. Right now, let's solve it, guys. It is 5 v minus 2 equals 2 v minus 8. Great. What I have to do here, distribute. Distribute. 5 v's minus 10 equals, distribute again. 2 times v is 2v. 2 times negative 8 is negative 16. Nice. I need to move the variable. I move the smallest. The smallest 2 v's. Negative 2 v's. Goodbye 2v. The opposite for 2 v's, negative 2 v's. 5 minus 2, it is 3 v's. Minus 10 equals negative 16. Great. Right now I need to move this negative 10. What's the opposite for negative 10? It's positive 10. And goodbye you. Right now I have 3 v's equals negative 16 plus 10. It is 6. Negative 6. Negative 6. How many times 3 goes into negative 6? V equals negative 2. You got it, guys. It's simple. It is very simple. Pretty simple. You'd work on this. Let's go next one here. 11. The same idea. Let's change the color again. Right now, green. 4 times y minus 7. 3 times y minus 9. The same idea. It is 3y minus 9 equals 4y minus 7. Great. Just work on this. 3 times y, 3 y's. 3 times negative 9, negative 27, equals 4 times y, 4 y's. 4 times negative 7, it is negative 28. Great, that's it. And right now, guys, let's work on this. Let's move the smallest. Let's move the smallest variable here. I'll move 3y's. It is negative 3y's here. Great. 3y's here, goodbye. The opposite for 3y's, negative 3y's, and goodbye here. I keep this negative 27 equals 4y's minus 3y's, it is just y. 1y, instead to write 1y, just write y. The same thing. Minus 28. Right now, I need to move this variable here, negative 28. The opposite for negative 28 is positive 28. Let's do it. Positive 28. Negative 27 plus 28, it is 1. Yes, y, oh sorry. 1 equals y. Great. Done. Good. Let's go to this is level 2, level 3 exercise. Here's level 4. I'll work level 3, level 4. Let's work a little bit. The same idea here, r and 4, r plus 10, and 2. Great. Let's work on this. This is 4r. 4 times r is 4r, okay, equals 2 times r plus 10. Great. Right now 4r's equals 2 times r is 2r's. 2 times 10 to 20 plus 20. Great. Right now I need to move the smallest variable. The smallest one is 2r's. Let's move 2r's here. The opposite for 2r's, it is negative 2r's. 4 minus 2 is 2r's equals 20. Nice. How many times 2 goes into 20? R equals 10. Yes. Great. Let's solve this one. This is level 4, guys. This last one, 15. I will work on this. Here's 2. Oh, I'll change the color. It's better. Purple. 2 4u plus 9. Remember to recall, guys. If you're not confident, recall this. Cross multiply, distribute, solve it. Recall this all the time if you need it. Cross multiplying, step 1. And 3 times 3u plus 7. Great. Let's work on this. Right now I have 2. I have here, go work here. 2 times, parenthesis, 4u plus 9 equals 3u's plus 7. Great, guys. Just work here. 2 times 4. 4u's. 2 times 4u's, 8u's. Plus 2 times 9, it is 18. Equals 3 times 3u's, it is 9u's. Plus 3 times 7, 21. Great, guys. We got it. Right now I need to distribute. Okay, solve it. I need to solve it. Let's solve it right now. I need to move variable. Let's move the smallest. Who is the smallest? 8u. Okay, 8u. I move u. 8u. The opposite for 8u is negative 8u. Great. Here, goodbye. I have 18 equals 9u minus 8u. It is just 1u. Instead for write 1u, I just write u. u plus 21. Right now I need to move this variable here, positive 21. Let's move u. The opposite for positive 21 is negative 21. And the final result, guys, what is it? Let's see. Here, goodbye, don't have any. 18 minus 21. 18 minus 21. Let me see. Oh, yes, it's negative 3. U equals negative 3. Great, guys. This is our work. We have a little bit more. It's up to you. We have level 3, level 4, but I try to do a bunch of exercises here to have idea what I have to do in your homework. Work your homework, IXL, paperwork, up to you. The Excel, paperwork, Go Formative, all these tools I provide to you, you do your best. But don't remember to turn it in your Google Classroom. Goodbye. See you in next class. Bye-bye, guys.